Imagine having an extra $500 in your bank account every single week. This extra money just keeps coming in passively every single week. You no longer worry about missing payments. You also now have more options. But most importantly, you have peace of mind. You know that with this extra money, there's no need to worry about receiving some stimulus check because you have the skill set of generating your own wealth. Now I understand you might be thinking, will this work if I have little to no money to invest? Can I do this on a tight schedule, or is this method working worldwide? The answer to all those questions is yes, yes, and yes. However, if you're thinking, will this method work if I'm laying in bed, watching this in portrait mode and eating potato chips? The answer is absolutely not. This is only for the action takers. So if that's you, then keep watching, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a really cool bonus that will allow you to generate endless free leads so you never have to worry about losing money. But before we dive in, if you like videos about affiliate marketing and passive income, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And now, let us begin. So check this out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote a product that's going to pay you up to $498 per single sale with just one sale alone. The name of the product in this video that I'm going to be showing you how to promote is this cryptocurrency offer. It's called Keystone Investors Club. And for some reason with Digistore24, it's a bit weird. Right here on the side, it says you can earn up to $286.99, which is like half of this. But that's actually wrong. It's actually $498 that you will get with one sale of this product right here. So when you click on the promote button, for some reason I'm getting this message in German, but if we go to Google Translate, this actually shows in English. It says, the manufacturer of this product will process your request for an affiliate partnership promptly. Please give him 2 working days. So this is just one of those rare products where you do have to wait to get approved, but once you get approved, you will have your own unique link that will show up right here. And the way that this works is anytime someone goes to that link and they buy the product, you will of course get paid a commission. So to kind of learn more about, kind of what this offer is all about, this is a cryptocurrency offer. And if we check out the sales page right here, this takes us to where you could sign up to a free webinar. Now, the benefit with promoting webinars is that pretty much all you have to do is you just have to get someone onto this free webinar, this free web class, and the webinar will pretty much do all the selling and telling for you. So your only real goal with this is getting people on the free training and just letting the training, kind of do the rest for you, right? So that's really the benefit with promoting webinars. You don't really have to have much, in terms of selling experience or anything along those lines. This helps you sell products, a lot better, right? So anyone can, check out this webinar by putting in their email, click on the reserve my seat, and then they could of course watch the webinar. And the way that webinars typically work is they usually last anywhere from 90 minutes to about 2 hours long. And then at the end, they give a pitch to check out the main product, right? So the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting this exact offer? Well, I want to show you exactly how to do that, right? But in order to get people to buy this offer, the number one thing that you have to understand is you have to understand how to get in front of the right people that will be open to checking out this offer, because not everyone is into cryptocurrency. So you don't want to just go out there and just start marketing to, anyone and everyone. What you want to do is you want to get in front of the right specific people. You want to get in front of the right ideal audience that will actually be interested in checking out this exact offer. So how exactly do you go about getting in front of the right people? Well, here's what you can do. You could use a platform such as Google Ads, or you could also use Facebook ads. And what's really cool about this is you could actually target people based on very specific interests. So you could target people based on their location, their age, their gender, their interests, things that they're interested in, all that type of stuff, certain beliefs. And, that's really the benefit with Facebook ads, Google ads, is these platforms, they get very specific in terms of who you could, of course, get your message in front of. So in order to really get in front of the right people, you have to understand kind of what your target audience is. So I want to show you exactly how to find the right people for this offer. So one thing that you can do is underneath where it says sales page, if you click on this option that says affiliate support page, this will actually take you over to this page where it gives, more information in terms of what you could have, of course, expect as an affiliate for this product. And right here, it actually shows you the demographics that are working best for this offer. So the people that are most likely to be interested in buying this product are people who are ideally male, people that are 40 years of age and above, people that are right-wing, conservative, or libertarian political lean wants to make money through investing. So if you were to set up an ad through either Facebook ads or Google ads, what you would want to do is you would want to target these specific demographics, these exact people, right? And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So if you were to use, for example, Facebook ads, which I think Facebook is probably one of the easier of the two platforms to get started with, what you'd want to do is you'd want to go inside of the ads manager and you'd want to go ahead and set up an ad. So what you'd want to do is you just create a campaign right here. You can give it a name if you want to. We'll just say like investing or something along those lines, right? Then what you could do is you can click on next down here. And then from here, you could actually select your audience, right? So you give it your ad set a name if you want to. You could set your daily budget. So in this case, you might start anywhere from $5 to $20. Of course, the more budget that you have, the more people that they're going to show your ad to. So for example, let's do like $5 for example. And as of right now, the estimated daily results are 661 to 1.9 thousand for this exact ad right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to target a very specific group of people. So like I mentioned, you want to target people based on their specific based on this specific demographic, right? So I actually have a saved audience up here, and just to give you an idea, let me see if we could find that right here. Cryptocurrency offer, I created this earlier, and what I did here is I targeted people from age 40 to 65 plus, so 40 and older. I targeted male as a gender, and then the interest I put investing online, how to make money on internet, or being conservative, right? So this is exactly what I put here. And then what you could do is you could also, you can get, even more specific if you want to. You could do automatic placements or you could do manual placements. What I personally recommend for this is you want to go with the option that says manual placements. And what you want to do is you want to uncheck every option except for Facebook newsfeed. So uncheck Instagram, uncheck Messenger, uncheck Audience Network, and you only want to have Facebook in here. And then what you want to do here is you want to uncheck Marketplace, uncheck Feeds, uncheck Right Column. You want to uncheck Stories. You want to uncheck InStream. You want to uncheck Search, and pretty much all the other ones except for the newsfeed. The reason why you want to do this is because people most likely, when it comes to Facebook ads, they're more likely to, of course, buy from an ad that appears on the newsfeed. Especially in this case, if you're promoting an affiliate offer, you want to go with the option that just says Facebook newsfeed. Once you have that set up, what you could do is you could optimize for link clicks. You could even do like other ones, but I feel link clicks is probably the easiest one. And then from here, you want to click on the option that says next. And this will take you to the next step where you could, of course, set up your ads. So right here, you can give your ad a name. You could select the Facebook page you want to advertise on. And then what you could do is you could either have an image, a video, carousel, multiple images, collection. And then what you could do is you could add your media. So if you want to include like an image or a video or something, along the lines that you feel would be relevant, you could add that in. And then right here, where it says primary text, this is where you want to put in the copy to your offer, right? So, you would want to, of course, write something along the lines of, that kind of explains kind of what this is all about. Maybe give a story, kind of think more about it, like what would get someone likely to, of course, buy the specific product or check out, or at least check it out. So you can learn more from this page, learn more about, kind of what that's all about. You can learn from the testimonials down here, and you can get some ideas in terms of what to write here. And then once you have your ad set up, then what you could do is you could put in the URL that you want to promote, and then you want to, of course, click on publish. And from there, you will have your Facebook ad published, and it will be ready to go live within, perhaps a few hours. Now, there's one downside that I've come across in running Facebook ads. There's just one thing that I personally don't like, and that is Facebook has very strict policies, meaning that if you say the wrong thing, you make any claims whatsoever, or even if you promote a certain link, your ads will most likely get disapproved. And if this happens too often, you could be at risk of getting your ad account shut down. So what I want to do right now is I want to show you how to go about getting your ads approved so you could avoid wasting lots of time. And also, if you stay with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you how to generate endless free leads so you never have to worry about losing money. But hey, real quick, if you're getting value in this video so far, then definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already done so. So how exactly do you go about getting your ads approved and getting into profit? Well, here is what I recommend that you do. So if you are planning on using Facebook ads or Google ads to promote an affiliate offer, there's one very important thing that you want to avoid doing at all costs. and that is promoting your affiliate link directly. This is one of the biggest mistakes that most new affiliates make, is promoting your affiliate link or sending traffic directly to your affiliate offer that you're promoting. So if you decide to set up a Facebook ad, for example, and you promote your affiliate link through Digistore24, 99% chance your ad is going to get disapproved and they will not run your ad. And same goes with Google Ads. They do not like this at all. And if you do this enough times where your ad keeps getting disapproved, your ad account could be at risk of getting shut down. And this is never a good thing because, if you're someone that really wants to get long-term consistent results online, you don't want to get shut down by, the two big platforms, right? So this is something that I don't wish on, my worst enemy at all, because it's just never a good thing, right? So what I want to do right now is I want to show you how to go about this, how to go about doing this, so you never have to worry about getting your ads disapproved, and then you of course be in profit for the long term, right? So if you are looking to use Facebook ads or Google ads or any paid traffic source whatsoever, rather than sending traffic directly to your affiliate link, what you want to have in place is something known as a sales funnel. And what that looks like is something along the lines of this. It is, typically a 3-step process. And the very first step inside of a sales funnel is something known as a landing page. This is where someone lands on a simple page and it has a headline at the top that says, would you like to learn how to get X result without Y, or how to get benefit without pain? Would you like to learn how to get 6-pack abs, within the next 6 months or within the next year? Would you like to learn how to get into cryptocurrency, or how to, invest in crypto, or kind of whatever that is? And you could often take, inspiration from the offer that you're promoting. You could have that as your headline right here. And then of course you want to have a button down here where they could enter their name and email. And that is where, if they want to learn more, they give you their name and email. And then they'll of course get taken to the next step in the funnel, which would be known as a thank you page. And this is where what you want to do is you want to introduce yourself, and you want to kind of brand yourself as someone that is unique, someone that is different from the masses, because what most people are doing, the reason why most people fail online is because they're looking to just get a bunch of clicks over to a link and hoping to make a quick buck online. But you don't want to take this approach, because people buy from whom that they know, like, and trust, right? So what you want to do here is you want to introduce yourself, kind of share your story, kind of explain what you're all about, talk about your experience with that exact offer that you're promoting, talk about how it's of course helped you. And then you want to end with a call to action saying, if you're ready to get X result in your life and you want to learn how to do all this stuff step by step, all you have to do is click the button down below, which would be this button right here. And that is where they can learn more about what the offer that you're promoting, right? So this could either be in written form or in video form. You could do like a short video with your phone. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy. And then when they click on that button, this is where they could take into the offer that you're promoting. So the third step in the funnel is your affiliate offer that you're promoting. So in this case, you'd want to send people to your affiliate link, which would be this page right here. And that is where, if they want to learn more about this offer, they could simply, check out the free webinar. And if they, get lots of value from it and they want to check out the full program, that is where you will get that commission, right? So this is essentially what you want to have in place if you really want to get long-term results online. Now, let's say, for example, that someone goes through this process, they go through the entire process and they don't buy the offer right then and there on the front end. Well, in this case, it's really no big deal, because once they enter their name and email here, they get put onto your email list. And this is where you could follow up with these people over and over and over again. So once they get onto your email list, these are people that you could market to over and over and over again. So you could send them back to the offer at any point. You could share more information with them, provide, more tips, more value with them. And of course, the more consistent that you are with this, the more they're going to trust you. And like I said, people buy from whom that they know, like, and trust online. So when it comes to setting up something like this, a sales funnel, you'd want to have a sales funnel builder, and you have ClickFunnels, and then there's also Kartra. These are like the two big ones out there. The one that I personally use is ClickFunnels. It's free for 14 days. And then after that, it's about $97 per month. Same goes with Kartra. It's about, $100 per month as well. And I do have a link down below if you, of course, want to check this out. You could try it out for 14 days. But if you don't have the budget to spend money on either of these two softwares as of right now, what you could also do is you could check out the free plan of Aweber. So Aweber just recently, for the first time, launched a new free plan. And with this, you could have anywhere from 0 to 500 subscribers. So this, you could use this to build up your email list. And what's really cool about this is you could send up to 3,000 emails per month. And another great thing about this is that you could also send unlimited, you could also build out unlimited landing pages with this. This is with the free plan of Aweber. And on top of that, they even have 24/7 live support. This is with phone, email, and chat. This is included inside the free plan of Aweber, and you could use this, if you have any questions whatsoever. You don't have to worry about, getting this software and then not really knowing how to use it, because you can contact them at any time, ask them any question, and they're usually very quick when it comes to responding to whatever question that it is that you have, right? So once you have this, an account for this set up, what you could do is you could use this to build out your own landing pages. So when you go to the top right here where there it says landing pages, you click on that option, and this will allow you to set up your own landing pages with Aweber. So very much like with ClickFunnels, you could set up your own landing pages. You just click on create landing page, and then from here you could choose from multiple different templates, and it's as simple as just changing up whatever text is on there. You just edit the text, and then you could have your call to action down below, right? So this is essentially what you want to have in place to really get those long-term results. But now that you've stayed with me to the end of this video, I want to show you a really cool thing you could do to really take this a step further. So if you want to learn how to get endless free leads online without having to ever worry about losing money, what you could also do in addition to this is you could offer something known as a lead magnet, right? So when you have your capture page set up, rather than building out, just a typical funnel, capture page, thank you page, and then of course the offer, what you could also do is you could offer something for free on the front end, or maybe something for like a very, low ticket price, like $7 or $10 or something along the lines, right? And this could either be anything in the form of a free ebook, it could be a free video series, like a free 4-day training, or it could even be something like a PDF report or PDF guide, right? So rather than promoting the offer right away, what you could do is you could promote your low ticket or free, thing on the front end, right? So your headline could be something along the lines of, grab my 4-day training on how to get into cryptocurrency, or here are the 4 things that you need to know about getting into cryptocurrency that you may have not heard before, right? So this way, when you start sending traffic from, Facebook ads, or Google ads, or any other paid traffic source, you might, if you are offering something that is either free or maybe for like a price of $7, you might just barely break even, or you might even lose some money on the front end. But that's completely okay, because once you get these people on your email list and they of course buy that offer, these are people that you can of course market to over and over and over again, right? And that way, any sort of sales that you get, on the back end, this is all profit, right? So this is essentially what you want to be building in the long term if you really want to get long-term consistent, daily sales, or, at least weekly sales online, right? But if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff, step by step, and if you want an example of, a free lead magnet that you could offer, I do have a free 4-day training that you could actually check out down below. So the very first link down below this video is going to take you to my free 4-day training that I put together about how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff step by step, and you also want to kind of see an example of a free lead magnet that I put together myself, you could check out my free 4-day training down below. And all you have to do here is just enter your first name, your email, click on the button, and then from there you'll get instant access to my free training for affiliate marketing. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.